Hello friends, my name is Kavindra Rai. I am PGT Commerce in Kendriya Vidyalaya number 1 Sagar. Friends, I once again welcome you all to the new video. In this video, we will going to learn the accounting treatment related to issue of shares when the shares are oversubscribed and some amount is adjusted at the time of allotment, whereas the remaining excess amount is refunded back to the shareholders. So let's start the video. First of all, let us have a look on the question. A company issued 10,000 shares at the rate of rupees 10 per share. So the number of share is 10,000 and the issued value of share is rupees 10 per share. And money is received for 13,000 shares. That means the application is received for 13,000 shares. So the shares issued is 10,000 and application received is for 13,000 shares. So it is a case of oversubscription of shares. Amount is payable as 2 on application, rupees 5 on allotment, rupees 3 on first and final call. If the company rejects the application for 1,000 shares and allots the remaining on the pro rata basis. So application is received for 13,000 and the company rejects the application for 1,000 shares. So the remaining shares are 12,000 and pro rata allotment is made by the company. So now let us look at the accounting treatment. So the first entry, as you all know, we have already studied in the previous video, that whenever the shares are issued, the first entry is related to receiving application money. So the first entry will be bank account debit to share application account. Here what you have to remember is application money is received for 13,000 shares and the application amount is rupees 2 per share. That means 13,000 into 2. So the total amount which we have received at the time of share application is 26,000. So the entry will be bank account debit to share application account and the amount will be 26,000. Now let's come to the second entry, that is to transfer the share application money to share capital account. Now in this question, as it is a case of oversubscription and company is refunding the amount on 1,000 shares and adjusting the excess amount of 2,000 shares for allotment, the entry will be share application account will be debited by the whole amount that we have received at the time of application, that is 26,000. To share capital account will be credited with the actual number of shares that we have issued, that is 10,000 shares. So 10,000 shares into 2 per share, so that will be 20,000. To share allotment, so on 2,000 shares we have received an excess amount of rupees 4,000 and that will be adjusted at the time of allotment, so that will be transferred to share allotment account. And on 1,000 shares, rupees 2,000, as we have not allotted any shares to them, that amount we will refund back. So the complete entry will be share application account will be debited by 26,000 to share capital account 20,000 to share allotment account 4,000 and remaining 2,000 will be transferred to bank account as that amount we have refunded back. Now come to share allotment. So the first entry which we have to pass for share allotment is share allotment account debit to share capital account, amount due on share allotment. So students, we were having 10,000 shares and the amount of allotment is rupees 5 per share. So the total amount will be 10,000 into 5, that is 50,000. Share allotment account debit to share capital account 50,000 will be the amount. Now let's come to the next entry, that is to receive the allotment money. Here what you have to remember is that the total amount due on allotment is 50,000, but you have to remember that at the time of application we have already received 4,000 in excess. So that amount we will not receive at the time of allotment now. So the entry will be bank account debit to share allotment account and the amount will be 46,000, that is 50,000 minus 4,000. 50,000 is the allotment amount and 4,000 we have already received as an excess amount. So that we will less from 50,000. So the amount that will be debited and credited will be 46,000. Bank account debit to share allotment account 46,000. Now let's move to the calls. So the first entry for making the call will be share first and final call account debit to share capital. Here you have to remember that the company is making only the one call. So the first call will be the final call. So share first and final call account debit to share capital. The total number of shares we have issued is 10,000 and the call money is rupees 3 per share. So the total amount on call will be 30,000. So it might be very clear, share first and final call account will be debited by 30,000 and to share capital account 30,000. Now come to the next entry, that is to receive the call money. So student, you have already adjusted the excess amount at the time of allotment. Now we are not having anything in excess. So the whole amount that is due on call will be received. That is bank account debit 30,000 to share first and final call rupees 30,000. So the complete amount of rupees 30,000 is received at the time of final call. Thank you.